So the French knot requires 2 hands. I've already brought the thread out from behind my fabric with a knot at the back. Picking up the thread in my left hand, I'm wrapping it around my needle, 1, 2, then I'm taking my needle tip back to where I brought the needle out and sliding the thread down to the bottom of the needle so that this knot just sits on top of the fabric. And then I want to keep the tension in the thread and then pull. So I've got a knot. So bring the needle up again where I want the next knot to be. Thread in my left hand, needle in my right, wrapping it around, 1, 2. Now you can wrap it around more times or less, and each one determines the size of your knot basically. I wouldn't ever wrap it more than 3 times because then you end up in knots that you don't want. So I'm just pulling on this thread while I take the tip down through the place where I brought my needle out. Again, pulling on the thread so that it slides down my needle and this knot forms and it sits just on the fabric. And then I just pull